In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify token. If you're setting up an integration between Shopify and another service, or you're developing a custom app, accessing your Shopify token is an essential part of the process. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together, ensuring clarity and understanding along the way. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify store's homepage. This is where you'll manage most of your settings and carry out administrative tasks. Simply log into your Shopify account and navigate to the home page of your store where you can access the settings panel. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll find the settings button. Give it a click. The settings area is your control center for all things related to your store's configuration, so familiarizing yourself with this section can be incredibly beneficial. With the settings panel open, locate the option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated area for managing your store's apps, both the ones you've installed and others available for development. Understanding how these apps work within Shopify will significantly enhance your store's functionality. In the Apps and Sales Channels section, you will see an option to develop apps. Select this option to enter the development environment. It's important to note that in this section, Shopify allows you to create and manage custom apps tailor-made to suit your business needs. Now you'll want to proceed by selecting the Create an App button. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your app. Choose something descriptive yet concise, ensuring it reflects the app's intended purpose or functionality. It's always a good idea to keep a consistent naming convention for easy management as you expand your app portfolio. Once you've named your app, click on the Create App button to move forward. Congratulations, you're now one step closer to getting your Shopify token. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see a section called API Credentials. Click on this option to uncover the sensitive data that holds the key to your app's communication with Shopify. Finally, in the API Credentials section, you'll find your API key. This is your Shopify token. You'll need this information to authenticate your app and establish a secure connection with Shopify's vast array of services. Remember to keep this key private and secure, as sharing it could potentially compromise your store's security. And there you have it, the complete steps to obtaining your Shopify token. By following these instructions, you'll ensure a seamless and secure development process for your Shopify store's integrations and custom applications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.